we basically just make and create a space where people can have those conversations, those difficult conversations. They're able to disagree with each other. We as co-facilitators will help that discussion and connect some of the points. We tend to find more similarities than differences. We come out with some learnings, some strategies, which is, I think the big one is to know your people, have more empathy, listen.
Yeah, in building this, I think what I see you've done here, Jules, is provided an opportunity to share existing knowledge and to share best practice within the context of this particular environment. But also, it's, reflecting on these honest conversations. We establish a hierarchical amnesty in the room, so we all speak our truth, because that truth will be different.
Yeah.
And what I've found in delivering this to various venues across the country is the fear expressed around diversity, inclusion, and equity, which is, I would say, the exact opposite to what the intention of these policies are about.
Yeah.
Viewed as a weapon or viewed as something to be afraid of, where this project expresses the truth of EDI in that all of us are protected by the human characteristics, every one of us.
And I think it's an opportunity for them to, for the first time, to express what they don't agree with, what they find difficult to manage. I don't understand this, to be honest. I don't really know what they mean by pronouns, or I don't agree with this, and what can we do with it? So we have a conversation, and within the exercises that were built in this room, we find a way to find organically those strategies by listening to each other, by exchanging ideas.
I'd say at our base level, our language as human beings is metaphor. Scripting, our whole creative team, create metaphoric examples of what problems may be occurring within a culture, within a working environment. Having actors recreate these situations, even though the situations are for the most part fictional, presents a protected space. So the delegates in the room aren't feeling accused, aren't feeling criticised. They get the opportunity to watch challenging situations and feedback. And as they're feeding back, everyone in the room is learning from their perspective and how they would interact and how they would handle, deal with situations that are presented with them. So experiential learning, powerful.